Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Klaviyo allows you to collect customer data and run powerful email and SMS marketing campaigns for your Etsy shop. With the integration, you can automatically add Etsy customers to Klaviyo lists, track purchases, and send automated marketing flows. So this setup helps sellers increase repeat purchases and build long-term customer relationship. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Klaviyo in 2026 safely and correctly. So before connecting or before anything, create a Klaviyo account. Okay, so go to klaviyo.com, click sign up. Okay, here create an account using email, address, business information, log into your Klaviyo dashboard after that, but choose an Etsy Klaviyo integration tool first. So since Etsy doesn't connect directly to Klaviyo, you need an automation platform. Popular options include Zapier, Make, Automate.io, alternatives, Let's Commerce. So these tools allow you to send Etsy order data to Klaviyo, add customers to Klaviyo lists, trigger automated email flows. So Zapier is one of the most commonly used solutions for this. Okay, so now create a Zapier account. If you choose Zapier, go to zapier.com, click sign up, create an account using email and Google accounts, log into Zapier dashboard. Now connect your Etsy account. Inside Zapier, click create Zap, choose Etsy as the trigger app, select a trigger such as new order, new customer or something, click connect account and log into your Etsy seller accounts, click allow access. Zapier will now access your Etsy store. Okay, now connect your Klaviyo account. So next, configure the action. So choose Klaviyo as the action app, select an action such as add subscriber to list or update customer profile, connect your Klaviyo account and authorize Zapier to access your Klaviyo account. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.